A very important concept, that is comparing barrier for rotation about carbon-carbon double bond, that is indicated here in these three molecule. Okay, we know that along carbon-carbon double bond rotation is not possible, but if it is carbon-carbon single bond it can rotate, so rotation is possible. So along carbon-carbon double bond rotation is not possible, whereas carbon-carbon single bond rotation is possible. Then we'll see in which of these three molecule it is more chances for this carbon-carbon double bond to get converted to carbon-carbon single bond. If there is more chances, then their barrier for rotation along this bond will be less. And if they have no chances or very little chance for this carbon-carbon double bond to convert to carbon-carbon single bond, then their barrier for rotation will be high. Okay, so let's see this first molecule. And if you have studied the aromaticity, you can see this is a quasi-aromatic compound, and this quasi-aromatic will be like this. You can break this in this form. This ring is cyclopentadienyl anion, that is aromatic. This is aromatic. And this one is cyclopropenyl cation, that is also aromatic. So this is basically a quasi-aromatic compound. Okay, so this molecule will be in this ionic form, where this will be anion and this will be cation, and there is single bond formation very easy there. So we can see that this rotation is possible. Here the rotation is what? Possible. So barrier for rotation will be less. So barrier for rotation is less. Let's see the second molecule. If you want to break this carbon-carbon double bond and heterolytically, and let's draw the structure what we are getting. Suppose we are putting positive charge on this cyclopropene ring, then there will be negative charge. In this case, this ring is aromatic, then this ring will be becoming anti-aromatic. And you know, anti-aromatic are highly unstable. Okay, so conversion of this carbon-carbon double bond to this single bond is next to impossible. Yes, if we put negative charge on this cyclopropene ring and positive charge on this, then the first ring will become aromatic, that will be propylium cation, but the second ring will become again anti-aromatic. Then again we can say that this carbon-carbon double bond will not convert to carbon-carbon single bond. So this will remain as carbon-carbon double bond, and due to that region it will have maximum barrier for rotation along this carbon-carbon double bond. So we can say barrier for rotation is maximum in this molecule. What about this molecule? If you try to break this in this way, and again you will see that this is again a quasi-static aromatic, basically quasi-aromatic compound. You can make aromatic by putting negative charge on this and positive charge on this. So this ring is again aromatic, that is propylium cation, and this is again aromatic, that is cyclopentadienyl anion. So this molecule will be in this form, will be present in this form, will exist in this form, this ionic form. Okay, and that will be having very very high dipole moment. So barrier for rotation along this carbon-carbon double bond will be less for the third molecule and first molecule, because these are quasi-aromatic. But for the second molecule, barrier for rotation is maximum. Okay, because it will exist in this form where there is carbon-carbon double bond. This will not exist in the form of this ion. Okay, thank you.